Hello guys, this is Aryan, and in this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about the Charminar. Number 1. Charminar is a historical monument of India. Number 2. It is located in Hyderabad. Number 3. Many people visit to see it. Number 4. The name Charminar means 4 towers in English. Number 5. It was built in 1591 by Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah. Number 6. It served as a mock on its upper floors. Number 7. Each corner of Charminar has a minaret. Number 8. The monument is a popular photography spot. Number 9. Charminar holds a special place in history. Number 10. It has become an iconic symbol of Hyderabad. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.